In this 5-day session of vocabulary building, we are going to learn today 5 core words, and along with it also you will learn many more words on the basis of the root. So the main target is enhancing your bank of vocabulary, at the same time learning them to use in your daily life, and also you will learn whether you have already recalled them or kept them in your memory. Not only the words you will remember, but also you learn their usages, how they are applied in your life. Let's get started. Today's word is gynecology. I repeat, gynecology. The Greek root gyn or gyne means woman. So gynecology is comprised of 2 words, and you will try to remember their meaning, try to guess their meaning. So the 5 words are gynecomastia. Here gyne means woman, comastia, that is the breast in Greek. So comastia, gynecomastia refers to the enlargement of male breast tissue. It is a disease. So gynecomastia. Then we come to the next word, androgynous. You know guys, what is andro? Every one of you have an Android phone. What is Android? Android মানে কি? I hope you don't know. মনে হয়. But do remember, it is a very fantastic word. You never forget it now. Andro means male. Androgynous means one particle of it is male, and the second part is gynous, means relating to woman. So androgynous refers to having both the characteristics of male and female. The dictionary meaning of it you will find having both masculine and feminine characteristic. Is not it interesting, guys? So androgynous. Gynecocracy. We have learned what it means. Cracy means power. So guess the meaning. What can the meaning be? Gynocracy. Crazy power. Gyne means woman. So simply put, it means power of woman. In fact, it is a system of government ruled by women. It is gynocracy. And in the same way, we have another word, gynarchy. Archy. In previous class, you must have known this. Archy means rule, power. You learned the word there, anarchy. Noarchy means no rule, absence of rule. That is anarchy. But here in gynarchy, gyne means woman, archy means power. So gynarchy means dominance of woman, dominance by woman, power in the hands of the woman. Another word, interesting, and it will be your part. Gynephobia. What is phobia, guy? You already know the word hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means fear from water, fear of water. Gynephobia means an irrational fear or aversion to women. That is gynophobia. Another word, gynoplasty. Plaster is a surgical term, surgery, medical operation. Surgical repair of the woman reproductive system is gynoplasty. So the interesting system simply, effortlessly tell you 5 core words. You may Google and you will find many more words like this. You will find at least 40 to 50 words on the basis of this root, and you will be able to guess the meaning, and they will effortlessly be in your mind. ওয়ার্ড জানলেই হয় না, যদি ওয়ার্ডগুলোকে প্রয়োগ না করো তাহলে কোনো কাজের নেই। Let us apply them in sentences. Gynecomastia refers to the enlargement of glandular tissue in male breast. It is self-explanatory. And the second example of some people prefer an androgynous appearance, blending characteristics both male and females. কিছু কিছু ব্যক্তি পছন্দ করেন অ্যান্ড্রো অ্যান্ড গাইনাস মিনস বোথ মেল ফিমেল পছন্দ করে এমন ড্রেসকে তাদের পরিধান করতে যাতে অ্যাপিয়ারেন্সটা তাই আসে। দিট ইজ এ স্ট্রেঞ্জ মেন্টালিটি। গাইনিকোক্রেসি is a rare form of government where women hold the primary power. Gynecocracy. In the ancient time, this gynecocracy was prevalent, but nowadays it is no longer in existence. Gynophobia. Gynophobia, the fear of women, can manifest in various ways. Or the womb or person relating to it is known as gynoplasty. So this is how we can use them. By now, I hope you have all remembered the words, and with your phone you can Google many more words that I told you earlier. And now you put a like, guys. তোমার লাইকটা ভীষণ কাজে লাগে আমার। গাইন আর গাইনি এই দুটো ওয়ার্ড দুটো রুট নিয়ে সার্চ করবে, অনেক শব্দ পেয়ে যাবে। Shall we have a game? Yes. ওকে, লেটস ট্রাই। আমি তোমাদের যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো শিখলাম তার ডেফিনেশনটা দেব, মানে হিন্টসটা দেব। ইউ হ্যাভ টু গেস দ্য ওয়ার্ড অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ বিফোর ইউর স্ক্রিন টু। অ্যান ইরেশনাল ফিয়ার অফ ওম্যান। There is a gap of 7 seconds for each. An irrational fear of women. Second, surgical operation of women reproductive system. The enlargement of male breast. Having both male and female characteristics. A system of governance with female dominance. I hope you enjoyed the session. This is the first day of our 5-day session, 5-day challenge for root building to enhance your bank balance of words. Do you like this 5-day challenge? Write in the comment box how many of you like to accept the challenge. Thank you for your support. My channel will definitely grow. Thank you again.